So top and bottom are the smaller ones, and then left and right are the bigger ones. So you see that slot is gonna go in the top or bottom one?
Top and the bottom ones.
Either in the top or bottom.
To lock it into place.
Spaces. So lock it in place. Okay.
And then when it's locked into place, top or the bottom.
And there it is locking in the bottom. Okay. That piece is gonna be on top, and it's gonna lock.
It's gonna lock into
with that right there, with the base.
So when it locks into the base, and if you put it in the right way,
it looks all together like that. Okay. This part here. Okay. Until it's flat.
no further than that.
Okay, until they have to tighten it until it's flat like this.
Okay. Now, as you notice, it has a six side. It locks into there.
It locks there. Okay. That's gonna lock right there. Okay.
It comes up. Like I say, the top and the bottom.
Okay.
With this here to go into the slot.
Okay.
Goes over the top.
Okay.
Okay. That goes in. It comes into this hole here.
Okay. Okay. All right. Perfect. That's gone.
Goes into a slant because it's like this. Okay. And this goes on top. And it locks into place.
That piece locked into place too.
Washer,
Okay.
2 nuts.
Okay.
Washer first, and the 2 nuts go on the bottom.
Okay, they put all those pieces in there and they tighten it.
Both of the nuts on. One washer, 2 nuts.
Show me everything. Here, show it in the camera. Okay, and it looks like that. Okay, perfect. Okay, then you put it in place so the holes on the base match the holes in the table, and you put the screws. First I gotta put in the washer, which is a ring, and then the screw on top of that.
And then you tighten by hand, not machine first. The legs run like this.
Then they repeat the same in the other side. And that's it. That's all.